Hello students, so welcome back again. So we are doing the exercise 2.5. So up to question number 6 I have shown you, and some questions I have given you in homework, so I hope you have done that. So now question number 7, simplify and solve the following linear equation. So here also same thing, you have to find out the value of the variables. So first question, 7 number question, let's see. So here in 7 number question it is given 3t 3t minus 3 into equal to 5 into 2t minus plus 1. So what you have to do, this is into form, okay, this is also multiplication form. So you have to multiply these numbers. 3t minus 3 3 is 9 equal to 5 into 2t is 5 to 10, 10t plus 5 1 is 5, okay, in this way. Now 3t will bring this 10t this side, so it will be what, minus 10t, okay. Then here equal to 5, this minus 9 will go this side and will become plus 9, okay. So 3t minus 10t will be what, minus 7t equal to 5 plus 9 is what, 14. Now t equal to 14 divided by 7, and here minus sign was also there, so shift this minus sign here, so t equal to minus 2. Understood? So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 8, let's see. So here in this question number 8, let's do it. 15y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. So we'll multiply all the numbers. So 15y minus 15 4 is 60 minus 2y, then minus minus will be plus, okay, remember all these things. 2 9 is 18, then plus 5y, then plus 5 6 is 30 equal to 0, in this way, okay. Now see what are the things we will shift this side and that side. So 15y minus 2y will be in this side only, 15y minus 2y, then plus 5y equal to, now shift all the numbers in that side, minus 60 will become plus 60, well it will go, then plus 18 will become minus 18 here, and plus 30 will become minus 30, okay. So we have shifted these numbers in this right hand side, okay. So 0 was there, so we'll do not do anything with the 0. 0 means 0. So this is LHS part, this is RHS part. So all the y terms are here and all the number terms are in this side. So 15y minus 2y plus 5y, what is the answer now? So here I can do 15y minus 2y plus 5y. So 15 plus 5 is what, 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. So 18y equal to, now 60, okay, 60. So minus minus will be, sign will be minus, and this addition operation, 18 plus 30, it is what, 8, it is what, 4, 48, okay. Now 18y equal to 60 minus 48, so it is 12. Now this y equal to 12 by 18. Now you cut it by what, 6, okay. So 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. Now the answer is y equal to 2 by 3. So this is the answer of this question, okay. Now next question number 9 you will do in your homework. I will do question number 10, the last question, okay. Now in this question number 10, what is given here, decimal point is given, okay. Here also decimal point number is given, so no need to fear about it, okay. So you will multiply, so the same rule, this number will be multiplied with these numbers and this number will multiply with these numbers. So multiply this 0.25 into 4. So what is the answer of this 0.25 into 4? So when you multiply 0.25 into 4, it is coming as 1, okay, 1f, minus 0.25 into 3, it is coming as 0.75. So multiply and see in the rough, then you will get to know how it is coming. So you have to multiply 0.05 into 10f, so it will be what, 0.5f, minus 0.05 into 9, it will be what, 0.45, okay. After multiplication you got all these things. So it is 1f and 0.5f, so this will come this side. So 1 no need to write, so only write f. minus 0.5 is in plus, it will become minus 0.5 f equal to this minus 0.45, this minus 0.75 will come this side and will come plus 0.75. okay, now minus this is 1f and it is minus 0.5, that means 1 minus 0.5 like this. So you have to give here point and 0, so it is 5, okay, because 10 minus 5 5 and here it is 0. So answer is 0.5 f, okay, equal to, now minus it's 0.75 minus 0.45, so it is 0, it is 3, so 0.30, so 0.30. now this f equal to 0.30 divided by 0.5. now you have to divide it. So how to divide? So there are many processes, there are many methods are there. So one method I am showing here. So first of all you have to convert this decimal into fraction. So when you convert the decimal 0.30 into fraction, what is the answer? 30 divided by, so how many after 0.2 digits are there? That means 2 zeros, that means 100 will be, it is in fraction. Now give this big divides, then 0.5 when you convert in fraction it will be what, 5 by 10, because after point there is one digit, so 5 by 10. Now you have to reverse this denominator, you know this, I have already taught you all these things. So 30 by 100, you have to give multiplication here and this will reverse, go upward and reverse, so it will be 10 by 5. okay, now this 0 0 cancel, here 0 0 cancel, the answer is 3 by 5. okay, the f value is coming 3 by 5, but you have to convert in decimal point because the question is in decimal, so you have to divide it. So 5 divided by 3, so 5 0 is 0 because 3 is smaller than 5, 3, then give here point, then you have to give here 0, 5 6 is 30. okay, so answer is 0.6. so value of f we got 0.6. so this is the answer of this question. Understood now? So students, in this way our exercise 2.5 is complete, and do this in 9 number in your homework. okay, thank you.